Hey everyone, welcome to this ultimate guide of planner stickers. If you are tired of boring and plain planner pages, want to add some fun and creativity to your daily planning, this video is for you. We will be discussing everything you need to know about planner stickers, including what they are, how to use them, and where to get them. I even have a free planner sticker sheet for you. You can find it down the description below. After this video, you will be so excited to start using planner stickers. I promise you. Let's go! My name is Rongrong Deval and I am a fashion artist. First thing first, what are planner stickers? Planner stickers are those small adhesive labels that you add to your planner page. No matter daily, monthly, weekly, the goal for those planners is to add more fun and creativity, but also help you stay on track, stay organized of your daily to-dos, of your goals. And some of the stickers are very cute and whimsical, some are more functional and practical. We have 5 different types of planner stickers. Yes, 5. First, functional stickers, then decorative stickers, washi tips, specialty stickers, and die-cut stickers. I will explain all these 5 types of planner stickers and give you examples of how do I use them. For functional stickers, those stickers are serve a purpose, such as track your habits, check off your to-do list, or there's boxes you can fill in with your priorities. I'm using self-love, fitness, and health and hustle as an example. I will walk you through what are some functional stickers looks like. For example, you have those vertical boxes you can fill in your to-dos or anything journaling your thoughts. This one is a little box where you can mark off your specific appointments or meetings. There are many labels where you can leave a note to yourself or appointment trackers, appointment reminders. Also, we have lots of trackers. You can track any particular habit that you want to be doing, such as water intake or going for a walk or like sleep early. There's a lot of ways you can use the tracker sticker. And then for example, the fitness sticker book, we have many functional boxes as well. For example, we have this small labels to give you a reminder or encouragement. We have lots of headers where you can mark this is your to-do, this is your today to buy, or anything to remember. And those type of things called a tracker, where you can write down your list and after you finish you can check it off. Usually you put those on the side of the box. And then we also have functional sticker that's like long and bigger, where you can plan your weekly exercise or weekly meal. Each sticker book, there are different functional boxes or checkers, depends on different thing. And then Heels Hustle is a more like work and career focused, so we have lots of boxes designed for you to stay on track, stay organized with your daily work or school. We have like important, to do, don't forget. And then we have also pay bill. So if you have credit card or bills, I'm sure everyone have bills. So this one will help you to write down your bill and remind yourself to pay. And then we also have water tracker, or remind you to do meditation or workout. There are also some functional stickers such as cleaning. Every day you can write down somewhere that you want to clean your closet, bathroom. And then you also have a meal planner, which is Monday through Sunday. You can plan your meal. And those are stickers like dentist, airplane, flights, coffee, reading, phone call, garbage, meals, spending, medical, lots of functional things over here. Those are some basic type of functional stickers that you can use on your planner to make more organized and stay on track. I'll be using Wonderlust to show you some of the decorative sticker looks like. For example, those small icons, flower bags, some small quotes, those are part of the decorative stickers, but also you have the flower, you have the people and animal. You can add those to level up your planner as well. Such as this page, this is a Paris themed, so you will have the ladies, you will have the small icons and also the quotes. So those are all considered as part of the decorative stickers. As far as specialty stickers, such as some foil stickers or holographic stickers, those are considered as specialty stickers. As you see, they are using a different technique where you can see a different light effect. So those are specialty stickers. For example, this is my year, I did incorporate the rose gold foil in my sticker book. And for this Agenda 52 I purchased recently, I really like this holographic effect for me to plan. Washi tips. Washi tips are originally from Japan, and those are adhesive tips made into a roll where you can use those to decorate your planner as well. Those tips you can add to your planner, the bottom of the planner, on the side of the planner. You can make a small background such as this to add a sticker on top. There's so many ways to play with the washi, and they also comes with different size of. Some are thicker, some are smaller. There are so many options for the washi tips too. The die-cut stickers. Die-cut stickers are cut into the specific shape. Of course, this one is a combination of die-cut and holographic. But you can also see there's like die-cut foam stickers, which is thicker and the surface is different. It's not paper, it's different material. And then in my case, I have this ultimate die-cut sticker where I draw my favorite movie characters and I made them into different die-cut stickers. Now you know all these 5 different types of planner stickers, but how do you use them? I like to start with the functional part first. I like to add in the labels, boxes, trackers, and then I will fill in the empty space with the decorative stickers. I also like to plan my week by different theme. This week is Breakfast and Tiffany, next week is self-care, the week after is all about the goals. This week, I keep my planner every week energetic, refreshed. I look forward to look at it every day, every week. If you like hand-drawn, high-quality stickers or planners, check out my shop, shopronron.com. I hand-drawn all the designs and we produce high-quality planner products. But if you are on a budget, you can check out Michael's, Hobby Lobby's, Joann's. They have a line of amazing planner products as well. But if you are hunt of unique, one-of-kind design or small business shops, you can find lots of them on Etsy and Amazon. I hope you find this video helpful and feel inspired, excited to try some stickers on your planner yourself. Don't forget to download your free digital sticker sheet, link down below. And then I hope you enjoy this today's session. Give me a thumbs up, follow, and until next time, happy planning!